So hello guys, welcome back in this session, and this is Vikas again from Brillica services. And in this session, we are going to discuss about NumPy. This is all about the introduction of NumPy. So we'll understand what is NumPy and what are the advantages and features of NumPy. So as you can see, NumPy is just a Python library, you can say, but it is fastest library for mathematical operations, high level mathematical operations. So if you are dealing with the mathematical operations, any type of mathematical operations in programming, and then you can use Python library, that is NumPy, numerical Python. And the advantage is it gives you a fastest speed at the time of the operation with high level operations, arrays, and list also. So it has efficient memory management, means in minimum memory, you can perform high level and complex instructions and mathematical operations in minimum space. That is the whole thing, what I can say. So it is much faster than traditional list of the Python. As you know about the list is the ordered data structure of the Python that is mutable also. And if you talk about the extension of list in the form of the array means collection of similar type of elements. Array means collection of similar type of elements. Just like if you talk about two-dimensional data, like a table. In table, you have multiple columns, and every column has similar type of values. Like in name column, we have a lot of names. In age column, we have a lot of age values. So in age column, all the values are integer type or integer float type, you can say. Or in salary column, you have all the values are in the form of integer. So you can say this is an array. And suppose you have 1 lakh records, then in name column, you have 1 lakh values as string. So all the values are in string. So this is basically a type of array in the form of string. And same goes with the all columns. Every column is just like an array just because of every column has similar type of values, collection of similar type of values. And when we are dealing with the similar type of values, collection of similar type of values, then this is called array. And for array, for any type of operations, faster operations, you need a type of library that that can give you a faster operations in array, and that is NumPy, which is very much famous in the world. That is basically a Python library. So it gives, you can say, NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib provides Matplotlib library, MATLAB-like functionality. I think you should know about MATLAB. You might be knowing about that MATLAB language. This is the advanced and you can say a popular high-level programming language that can be used in visualization also and mathematical operation. But if you want to perform all the mathematical operation with visualization, then you can combine NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. So the combination of NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib can provide the lab-like functionality. It is developed in C language by Travis Oliphant in 2005. And NumPy plays a significant role in data science and machine learning, just because of in machine learning, in data science, you have a lot of data, and always you will be able to perform different type of operations just because of you have to do different type of operations. Then NumPy will be your best choice for the mathematical operations in arrays and all the type of data that can be handled in array. So I think that's all about NumPy. And in next lecture, we'll see what is Pandas, that is also a Python library for data science and machine learning. We'll see some practicals also in coming lectures, coming videos. So that's all for this lecture. If you have any doubt or question, then you can comment, like the video, and share with your friends if you like this. Thanks for watching.